How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to restore phone icon on Android. So if your phone app is missing, then there's a few things that you can do. The first thing you do is swipe up and type in the search bar and just type phone, and it should come up. So if you do find it from here, simply tap and hold it and then press add to home, and then from here you want to tap and hold it and then just drag it to the bottom. However, if you didn't find it from there, the next thing you want to do is come into your settings, scroll down until you find home screen, come in there and then go into hide apps on home and app screens. So open that and then come down and make sure that your phone isn't selected, so you don't want it to be hidden, so deselect it from there and then press done. And then finally, if you don't find it by doing that, the last thing you can do is come down to your apps and in the top right press the three dots and then reset your app preferences. So that's all the ways that you can restore your phone icon on Android. Thank you for watching.